Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run-through tour of our 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC estate. This is a 220D variant of the vehicle and is also a premium model car, which means you get an extra amount of features on top of the standard specification. To begin with, this example comes with the optional multi-spoke 20-inch alloy wheels. The vehicle also comes with a panoramic glass sunroof, the keyless go comfort package including keyless entry and the keyless start function, the memory settings on the door cards for the fully electric front seats, and also the ambient lighting with a choice of colours available. The vehicle comes as standard with the AMG design front and rear bumpers, the LED tail lights, the LED daytime running lights at the front with the LED high performance headlamps. You also get the chrome exterior styling, side steps, privacy glass for the rear windows, and a full leather interior. The vehicle comes with a leather trimmed steering wheel with access to cruise control, heated front seats, all of the controls you would expect throughout the centre console with your infotainment controls, storage compartments, charge ports and infotainment ports. You also have multi-zone climate control and also the central display screen where you can access features such as your DAB radio, satellite navigation and also the reversing camera as standard. The vehicle does come with a powered folding tailgate and plenty of boot space also available in the rear. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.